Hi. Today I am not really in a good shape. My back hurts again and I cannot sit, stand, lay down or do anything almost. It hurts all the time. But I wanted to share something with you. I was thinking about my corsets I've been making over the time. Mostly for my Mirodoll Wind, one of a third BGD doll. She is 60 centimeters with a large bust. So this was the first one I made. I made it through my own pattern. I wired her with cling film and taped her down with painter's tape, and then I draw on her on the painter's tape and made some nice curves to this corset. I did under bust. The bust is one piece here and it's a dart up from the under to up, and then you have one piece under. It's made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 body pieces, and then the upper part is made of one piece with a dart, and the clothing is in front. Well, it's only an idea I had. It's not that pretty at all. It's a kind of mock-up. And then from that I made this one. It's closed in the front too. It doesn't have the cups. It's just a straight piece. Oh, actually it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and one piece in the back, this in the middle of the back, and it's laced in the front. Nothing fancy at all. Then I made her a new model. It's like this. It has 1, 2, 3, 6 pieces, and it's closed in the back, and it's lined with a white cotton fabric, and you have some satin lace on it, and you have the lacing in the back. So then I made this one, going a little bit more fancy. It's a velvet kind of fabric. It's a really nice fitted corset. It has bones in it, but I used not zip ties. I made my own from plastic lid. I cut straight pieces and made channels, and I put it in. I made it channels in the lining fabric, the white. So, and it has this nice flower fabric, like that. I think it's called modesty plate in the back. You can have it in the front. It's under the lacing, and it has the gold lace trim on top. Then I made this one. It's closed in the back, and it has the little heart fabric in the back, like that, and it's lined with white cotton. And this one I haven't embellished yet, and it's also in a red velvet fabric. Then I made the next one. I guess I did these on for February Valentine's Day, kind of. They have the heart trim and the heart in the middle. It's also lined with the cotton fabric, and it has some satin lace kind of thing, and it has kind of diamonds and the big one in the front, and it has bones in it too, but it's not bones, it's from plastic, like that. And then the last one is this one. It's actually lined with a light pink, and it's the same pink that you have around the edge, and then it has the pink big bead with smaller beads. Actually, this is one of my favorite corsets. So these were all corsets for my Mirodoll window. It's a 60 centimeter doll. And this is my little obitsu. I made yet another head, and it looks like a boy, but it's supposed to look like a girl. And I don't have the wigs for her, so I knitted a little kind of wig cap from eyelash yarn, and it's so cute. It's really soft and nice. And then I made her a shirt and trousers with a bib trousers, like this. So this I made yesterday. So, and then I glued on the magnets under her feet, so now she can stand a little bit too. So, well, I think that's all for me today. I hope I will be back tomorrow if I'm feeling okay with my back. So until then, I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.